within a remote mountain wilderness, where limestone cliffs stretch across the horizon, there exists a giant cave that very few people have ever explored. From a distance, the cave entrance looks like a massive gateway carved into the rock. Sunlight shines through the opening, sending beams of light deep into the cavern. The interior is so vast that every sound echoes through the stone walls. This is where Tran Huy begins an extraordinary project. He plans to build a complete bamboo house inside the giant cave. Tran Huy is a craftsman who specializes in building structures using natural bamboo. Over the years, he has built many bamboo structures in forests, on rivers, and in remote places. But building a house inside a cave is something entirely different. The environment is darker, the ground is uneven, the space is enormous but unpredictable. Yet that challenge makes the project exciting. One early morning, Tran Huy stands at the cave entrance. Cold air flows from the depths of the cave, holding a bamboo torch. He walks inside. The flame illuminates the rough stone walls. Massive rock pillars rise from the cave floor like columns of an ancient temple. In some places, small openings in the ceiling allow sunlight to enter. These beams of light fall through the misty air and create a magical atmosphere. After exploring for a while, Tran Huy finds a relatively flat area. It is large enough for a house. From this spot, the cave entrance and daylight are still visible. It is the perfect place. He marks the construction area using a bamboo stick. In his mind, the house already exists. A bamboo structure standing inside the cave, a balcony facing the entrance, and a warm living space inside the mountain. But before construction begins, he must gather materials. Bamboo. Nearby bamboo forests provide the perfect resource. The next morning, Tran Huy walks into the bamboo forest with an axe and machete. Tall bamboo stalks sway in the wind. He selects the strongest bamboo, then begins cutting. The sound of the axe echoes through the forest. After several strong strikes, the bamboo falls. The bamboo is cut into different sections. Thick pieces become pillars. Medium poles form the frame. Thin strips will become floors and walls. After hours of work, large bundles of bamboo are ready. Tran Huy carries them back toward the cave. The path is steep and rocky, but trip by trip, the bamboo reaches the cave entrance. When enough material has been gathered, construction begins. Tran Huy clears the cave floor. Small rocks are removed. The ground is leveled. Then he installs the first bamboo pillars. The large bamboo poles stand vertically. Rattan rope ties them securely in place. One pillar after another is raised, carefully spaced to create a balanced structure. Gradually, the bamboo frame appears. Horizontal beams connect the pillars. Each joint is tied tightly with rope. The skeleton of the house takes shape. Next comes the bamboo floor. Thin bamboo slats are placed across the frame. They form a smooth surface. Tran Huy steps onto the floor to test its strength. It is stable and strong. Then he builds the bamboo walls. Thin bamboo strips are woven together. The walls allow air and light to pass through. Next comes the bamboo balcony. The balcony faces the cave entrance. From there, the forest and sky are visible. Finally, the bamboo roof is built. Large bamboo beams form the roof frame. Layered bamboo panels create the covering. Soft sunlight filters through the bamboo. Inside the cave, the bamboo house is now complete. Tran Huy finishes the interior. A bamboo bed, a bamboo table, and several bamboo chairs. When evening comes, bamboo lanterns glow warmly inside the cave. The bamboo house shines softly in the darkness. Tran Huy sits on the balcony, watching the sunset light entering the cave entrance. After days of work, the project is complete. A bamboo house inside a giant cave. A structure built entirely from natural materials. In the quiet wilderness, The bamboo house stands peacefully, a symbol of creativity, patience, and human craftsmanship